Hi guys, come with me to free pop-ups. I love to go on the weekends. I'm getting up now. Ooh, I hate getting up. So I first stopped for my coffee, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm just such a Dunkin' girl and I love Dunkin's coffee. I get sugar, light and sweet, milk and cream. This one was a cookie crumble iced coffee. It was really good though. We're on the bus. We're off to the city, and I also have to take a subway. Yeah, I gotta take so many transportations to get where I was. So this is the vessel. This is our first stop off. We're already here for our first one. This is the Target Wonderland. There's Christmas carols outside. We had to wait in a long ass line. I mean long line. So might just hear the carols. Okay, we're in the Wonderland. It was really cool. It's really nice. Look inside as we're walking in. This is the outside after I waited 3 hours outside. It was worth it. So these are the things they give me. They gave me some mascara. They gave me, this is the first staff member that was there. He's so cute. This is the first activity we did. We had to put a coin and like the machine will grab a prize. So I tried it. They gave me the coins. He was the one who passed me the coins. So here we go, here we go, here we go. And hopefully I get something. Let's see. Down we go. Down we go. And whoop, I didn't get nothing. Yep, that's how it is. I got nothing. So let's go to our next activity in the Wonderland. Here it is. I signed up to paint my nails. Not really. I signed up for like lip gloss. You had to do either to paint your nails or like a lip gloss, like a makeup. You get like your makeup done. So I picked makeup and I just wanted to look around. So here we go. This is like the artist's little like her desk, and she is the makeup artist. Isn't she cool? She was so nice. She was so sweet. I loved her hair. And here we go. She's gonna do like my outline of my lips. And she's going in with the outline first, right? Now she's going to do like the rest. I think it's like lip gloss or something. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but I know this is like the pencil outline. That's all I know that she was doing. Then she goes in with a lip gloss. I'm not really sure, but let's just see what it is. But anything it was, I was having fun. She told me, look at yourself. I did. I surely did. So now she's going in with the lip gloss. See, because that's what I remember, guys. Sorry about that. I have such a bad memory. But yeah, now she's doing the second part. The first part was the outline, and then I guess the second part is when they go in deep with whatever color you're going to use to match it with. And here I think it was like a red or a pink or something. I think it was like a dark red. Is that the LED lights really didn't really let me see very good? But it looked really shiny and pinkish. And to me, my taste is good because I'm not really like a hardcore color girly. I am very like light and conservative. I like lip gloss though more than lipstick, to be honest with you. I don't use much lipstick at all. I tried one time using a matte, and it was horrible because it was just stuck to my lips after a while, and you can't really get it off until you really scrub it really hard, and it even hurted. So I use more lip gloss than anything. So that's why I kind of picked this part of the activity to do my face, because I guess it was lip gloss. But to be honest with you, I thought there was more to it. But hey, it's just a little activity. And everything's free. So you can't really knock it, right? This is the finished touch. So here we go to the next activity, which is, isn't that cute? They were giving us postcards of Happy Holiday of that game. Monopoly? Monopoly? You get it. So I didn't really play this. They was just like, okay, so here's like a postcard of it, and look at the game and stuff. So I looked around a bit, and was like Play-Doh. And this little kiosk here was like you made your own Play-Doh pizza. That was pretty cool. She gave me like a Play-Doh and more stuff on how to make it. So here I go, taking my Play-Doh back in my bag. Okay. Next activity was little fun little cars, and it's like on a cone, and like the stick. It was like a stick that would go through it. And you let it go. See there? You let it go. He's showing you. And once you take it, you let it go. See? You put the little cone under. And the stick is in the middle. And you pull it. And it'll just like go. So that's what I did. I tried. I kind of tried. So I couldn't really show you guys how I tried. Because I gave him the camera to like filming. And I guess he did it. So... it doesn't even matter because I didn't do that good. We had to do it like 2 times. I guess maybe that's why he didn't film me. So these are like the Lego houses. That's pretty cool. That was like on our way to our third activity that we were going to. And that's like everything they had, like the pole. That's Manny in the front. She's my friend. She went with me too. That's her right now. Who's actually like, we're going to the bathroom together. And so now we're going to the third activity. It was like Oreos. You put an Oreo in. How you eat it. Do you lick it or do you eat it off? And that's what those little buttons say right there. See, dunk it, lick it. I put lick it because I usually lick it and you press it and then a Oreo comes down and you get it. See? How do you eat your Oreo? See? And you get the Oreo and we go. And then we're going to the last activity. Oh, these are like gift wrapping. That's like the gift wrapping booth if like you needed it. I didn't really do that, but I'm thinking that you were like tapping what do you need wrapped and you just go there and they'll wrap it for you. Here we're giving like chocolates away. I took those chocolates and I didn't really eat them, so I don't know what they taste like. This is another activity where they were like decorating Rice Krispie treats. So pretty. They gave you a pack like with the icing, the sprinkles. The young lady was very nice and she was explaining to me what to do with the little Rice Krispie, but guess what? Once it was in my bag, I lost the Rice Krispie, so all I had was the icing and the sprinkles, and I ended up throwing it away. So now we are actually almost done. See the Rice Krispies? And now we're done, and we're leaving. We are getting ready to go to our second pop-up, and this is where they're taking off my bracelets. It was such a fun experience, but to me it was like more for kids. I didn't really know that, but it was really fun. Here they're taking off my band. And bye Target Wonderland. I was about to say Winter Wonderland. So here we go. We're going to our second pop-up, okay, which is the Glow Recipe. That one was really freaking fun. So it was a night market. That's me online, actually trying to see inside. So here we are. We're finally inside. Yes. So this is the night market. I'm not sure. I guess Sephora's like partnered with them. These are like all the products that they're trying to get out there, serums. So this is like the first part of the entry. The decoration was so cute. It looked like it was like in an alley type of market, like with a whole bunch of like magazines and stuff. Like, you know how they just stick everything. This is the menu of the night, basically. That's their merch. Like, it's like their merch kiosk there. And these are the tokens that they gave me for the first. To go in. That's my first activity, to go in, and tokens to place there. Yeah, so you gotta place it there in that little machine. You would place it in, and then what you would get was like a mask, their watermelon mask. I haven't really used it yet, so I can't really tell you how it is, but I tell you this though, I'm gonna start buying Glow Recipe. It's so good. It is really freaking good. So this one was like you press that little bell and somebody will come out with a hand and like spray your face. I didn't really do it. I just kept on going. So here's like the snack part of the night. They would give you either those little penguin thingies or these candies. And let me tell you, I did the candies and it was so good. I was so shy to go back and ask for more. So I really didn't. And then they would give you these cookies. Oh my gosh. These cookies had like marshmallows and they were chocolate covered from the outside. But I kid you not, I don't know why that when I ate one, it tasted like rum. like alcohol a little bit. It's just like, you know, the first when you open that cap of bottle and you smell that alcohol, that's what it tasted like. But look at that. Oh, that was so good. It was great. So now we're going to like the photo booth session. I was in line. That was like the fastest line I've ever gone into. And it was like really cute. Like there was a girl already throwing her picture there. And they gave me like 2, and I put one on the wall. See, I put it, they had like a wall of all of them, and you would just put it there. I put mine there, and I have one to go home. Yeah, I'm telling you, that shit was freaking delicious. Ugh, it was delicious. It really was. So this is like another activity they had. They had like a long line with all their products, and you were able like to try them on. I just tried, and they had like little booths, like little beauty booths. You would sit down and try them on and see, I guess, what they did to your skin, if you liked it or not. I just did one. I couldn't really do all of them, so I didn't really try them. I just tried what they gave me. And this one, this is the serum. I mean, this was like the serum that they were really promoting. It's like in a short little cup. There you go. You put a token in, and then you would get like that serum. That serum was banging because I use it at my skincare, and it's good. Like, it leaves my skin like a baby's bottom. I kid you not. Okay. This experience was so much of fun. All the pop-ups I do are fun. So if you're interested like in going to any pop-ups, let me know. So this was the end of the night. Here they would give you like a little goodie bag. You would get in line, and the lady would ask you like, what is your skincare, if you're oily, dry, or like, you know, and they would give you like a little bag. I'm not sure if it. And it had like an eye cream, a serum, a toner, a cleanser, and the last part, which is a moisturizer. It was great. So here's me leaving, and it was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching.